Alright, so we're going to be moving on to the 25th problem in the Grind 75 now. That means we are 1/3 of the way through after we finish this. That's crazy. That's cool. So we're going to be doing a problem called contains duplicate, and we are given 15 minutes, so we're going to start the countdown now. Okay. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Okay, is it going to want us, there's no follow-up. If any value appears at least twice. Okay. Whenever I see values and their counts, I immediately think hash map. In fact, we can even just make a set, which we'll do hash set. And as we traverse, we'll just add the value. And if it's contained in the set, then we will return false, or no. We can break there and return true. But if we reach the end, then we know there's no duplicates and we can return false. So let's just create a hash set. This is just going to be of integers, integer, and it's going to be called maybe seen before. Say that. Seen before, and it's equal to just an empty hash set right now. Let's see. Empty hash set integer, and we're going to say for int I in nums if seen before dot contains I, meaning we've seen a duplicate, then we can simply return true. And we also have to make sure to add to seen before that value. Obviously, we won't reach this statement if we return true, but we still want to add it to our set. So it shouldn't be, I believe it's put. Put I, that's it. Okay, and if we get through this entire for loop, then we should return false because our array does not contain any duplicates. And if I've used the correct syntax for sets, then I should be good to go. This should be the solution. Let me just do a quick run through really quick. Given an array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So a set for each I, if seen before dot contains it, then we'll return true, meaning there is at least one that's been seen twice. Otherwise, you can return false if we get through the whole thing and we never see a value that has been added to seen before. Okay, so I'm going to hit run to make sure there's no syntactical issues. Let's see, set integer. What's wrong here? Error expected what? This should be right. That's confusing. Maybe just set, if I do that. Yeah, it should be that, okay. Is it really simple? Is it something really simple? Seen before is equal to a hash set integer. Wow, why am I not seeing what's wrong with this? Maybe I just don't need to define it. I don't know why it's behaving like this all of a sudden. error expected. What does that mean? Set integer seen before equals set integer. What is it expecting? Yes, this is expected. This should be at the end of the line. I don't know. Maybe I'll make it public. I don't know if that's really going to help. If it just makes the compiler feel better, I guess I'll do it. Let's run that. Oh my gosh. Seen before. I seriously don't get what's happening. This. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. I forgot the new keyword. That's quite funny. Set as abstract cannot be instantiated. Yes, we need a concrete example. We can just set the static type to that too, actually. Okay, that's seen before to put. Okay, it's not put. I guess we're hitting every little branch on the way down as we fall from this tree, I guess. Is it not add? Or it's not put, so maybe it's add. I should really know this by now. Okay, it's add. That's cool. Okay, why does it say my Python 3? Anyways, okay, so that should have taken us 2 minutes, but it took like half the time. The solution video, let's see if I can do it in under a minute. I could probably do it. I should definitely be able to do it in under a minute. But yeah, I'm going to conclude that video there.